my last video on the earbuds. The reviews on earbuds in general are they work great for the first certain amount of time, a few weeks, whatever, and then they're basically useless. The right one fucked up after 8 hours use. I think about 8 hours, and the button was useless after that. I never pushed the button. It may have been knocked when I was putting the helmet on. However, the left-hand earbud doesn't work if the right one is fucked. So basically, I don't know how much I paid for them. They were reduced in Tesco's like 20 quid or something, or however much they were. Groove, other brand, never again. So, as I need music as an essential from the bike, 50% of the reason for the music is I love music. I also go faster. The other reason is it cuts out the wind noise, which is fucking horrendous at the moment. So, went down a pound shop and I got these fuckers. What brand are they? Who cares? They were £1, £1. And just had them plugged in the ear coming back. They fit comfy. There's no issues with the crash helmet. So, yeah. Fuck modern technology. Use good old-fashioned things. Also, avoid the ones with a microphone if you're going to use them on a bike, because it's just going to cut down the power of the sound going to your ears.